close to 2 weeks, not quite. Saturday will be 2 weeks. Today's Friday. And I just wanted to share with you the quail. They've gotten so big. So we started out with 12. We did unfortunately have 2 casualties. One of them, just if you remember from the last video, there was one I said just seemed a little feeble, and we're pretty sure that one passed away. And then the other one was really sad. It got stuck. The tote that we have has wheels, and the wheel wells created a weird fold in the newspaper, and it got stuck down there and died, which I feel awful about. I've never had chicks before, and at least I can say that it'll never ever happen again. But that leaves us with 10, and they're so pretty, and they're so feathered right now. I'm gonna flip it around and show you. Here we go. Look how big they are. Before they could, like, before they were like barely bigger than the size of a golf ball, and now they're big. Look at the pretty colors coming through. This water we ended up making, it's nothing special. It's just the poultry cups you can buy at any feed store and a container from the dollar store, because the water we had that I got on Etsy that was 3D printed and so cool and expensive, every single morning and every single night it entirely dumped into the brooder. So yep, we got rid of it. Gosh, aren't they so pretty? I've moved the brooder plate up quite a few times because they've gotten big so fast. Its legs are adjustable. It can be up to here in height, which is good for chicks, like chicken chicks, which we're going to be getting those soon too. I'm actually picking up an incubator today. We're also getting cattle panels because the newest addition to the farm is going to be goats. I'm sorry this video is grainy. I don't know why it's so grainy. It's not really bad lighting in here. Let me grab one and show you. I like the color on this one the most. Hello, friend! The one that got stuck and died tragically looked like this one, so. We only got this one that looks like this. It's so pretty. I have no clue how I'll tell if these are boys and girls, or male or female, as I get older. But for now, they're just beautiful little babies. This one is very pretty too. It looks similar, but not quite as light. Hello, baby. But yeah, you remember how tiny they were in the first video? They look a little funny because their heads still look the same as before, but their bodies are feathering out. I don't entirely know if they understand this watering system. They've had it for 3 days though, so they must, or they would have just perished of dehydration. I don't know. It is leaking a little at the seams, that's why they're pecking there. Hope you enjoyed this update and seeing how big the babies have grown. We're going to be getting new quail in, well, sometime in next month from another local person. We're getting specifically Celadon quail from her, which are ones that lay blue eggs, which I'm very excited for. Hopefully these ones will be able to vacate the brooder before then, and then we'll have a new batch of baby quail to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.